do the calm down dance challenge. Damn, this challenge has been I've been running for over a year right now. It has got so many creators doing it, so many dancers, people from all walks of life doing it, even soldiers, couples doing it on their wedding day. Come on, it's awesome. So I'm gonna break it down from the beginning, okay? So now, the first step, okay, you go, baby, okay, baby, calm down. So you go, you kick your right leg like this, your left leg down. So your left leg will support your right leg, left leg support, okay? So left leg come here, right leg go like this. Baby, calm down. So this one, all you have to do is just bounce, okay? Calm down. Then the next step is, get this your body, okay? You bounce, you shake your hip, then your chest, then your head, okay? So let's go again. Baby, calm down. Get this your body, then put out the air. You splash, like you go, do like this. Splash, then go, bam, okay? So again from the beginning. Baby, calm down, your body. Okay, that's just it. That's the first few counts. So you go your right leg up, your left leg down. Baby, calm down. Get it your body, they put. Get it your body, they put. Pull down. Okay, so the next step is you kind of do something like this. 1, 2, 3. But you kind of doing it twice, like repeatedly, double times, okay? You're doing it double times, okay? You know what? Double. So you go, bam. This is the step. You go 1, 2, 3. Maybe later on I'll do a different tutorial to just teach you that step alone, but now you gotta know it. You just gotta learn it, okay? So you gotta do this. You're doing it twice. 1, 2. So you're going to do 1, 2. So only pros like me, okay, I ain't no pro, but I'm getting there. Only, top dancers will do it like that. But if you're not a pro, you can just do it somewhere like this. Oh, this is the body. Yeah, just keep on going backwards, okay? You girls know how you do it. You good? Something like that. Okay, so you gotta do something like this. Back. Get your balance back, then you do 6 like that. So you're going up, down. Put one hand like this, or any way you want to do it. Do up, down. So sweet like Fanta. Okay. So from the bottom to that place, okay. You go, baby, calm down. Get it set already. They put pull down. Yes, down. Yeah, you sweet like Fanta. Yeah, where you gotta do the African Afro leg work, the Nigerian leg work, okay? The famous one. So you do something like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The next one you do it 4 times. The first 2 times you just do it with your hands spread to the right side and the other one to the left side. Okay? Right, left. Then the second 2 counts you're going to do the left side. Ga. Okay? So back. Then we are done. Your right leg up. So keep your pelvic. It's like you cannot do that thing. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you mean, but you know what I mean. So you go do back, okay? So back. You get hands like this. You can say you already know how you can do your hand gestures. I ain't gonna tell you what you're gonna do with your hand, but you gotta do something like this. Yeah. Then with the other one, with the other leg. Yeah. Okay. Do like this. Yeah. Then tell me no. So you're gonna do something like, from where I come from, Nigeria, we call it Zazu. So you, okay, but your facial expressions, you then kind of squeeze, then your hands look like this. Okay, your chest or something like this, okay? Well, I don't know what you want to do it for the first time, you know. I know most of y'all haven't seen that dance before, so you just do that something like this. Okay? Your hands back and forth. Left, right, up and down. Okay? So you do like that, then the last step you do shake your hip. Your hip, you know. I know you ladies want to do this one very well. Yeah, you can. So from the top to bottom, or from bottom to top. Oh yeah, from bottom to top. Let's go again. Baby, calm down, calm down. Can you say body they push? Oh look down, yes look down. Yeah, you sweet like Fanta, Fanta. Say you say I love you. Hey, hey. No. So that's just it. That's the short famous tutorial of Calm Down that I've been going viral for the last few months. The past 1 year, I think, yeah. The dance is by Loic Reyel. You can check his page on the description. I'll put it there so you can follow him up for other dances too. Okay? Thank you, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and most importantly, turn on all post notifications. Okay? They're also in the comment section. You have to tell me what tutorial to do next, what that you would like to learn. And I promise you I'm going to make more tutorials in the coming days, weeks, months, forever. I love you guys. Subscribe. I'm making bullet.